Morris, you on everybody's stream saying what's going with Elon. I see you on another stream doing the same thing. Alright, let's go. Just that Super Saiyan power up music. We powered up, baby. We ain't scared of no dumps. We've been here since how long? This is normal. Turn it up. A few more people get up in here. That power up music. Make sure that you like and subscribe when you hop in there. If you're new, what's the word? Good vibes. Let's get some good vibes in here. Appreciate you, Flex Radar. We are full-time Web3, baby. What's the word? What's the word? What are we doing today? What's today? For Tuesday, double up day. Let's get into it, family. Appreciate everybody that's tuning in. We're about to talk about this crypto flash crash. What's going on? What to expect? My thoughts on the crypto flash crash and why, if you've been here, this doesn't phase you at all. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms family. We are here and we are not going anywhere. All right, so let's get into it, man. Again, you already know how we do it. We pretty much pay attention to the strongest cryptocurrencies inside the market, inside this flash crash. But a lot of people have been asking, why is crypto crashing? And I know that's been a question for everybody, man. And again, if you're new to crypto and you expected everything to just go straight up, you got to understand this is how crypto works, right? It's PvP, which means it's player versus player. Somebody buys, someone sells. Someone sells, someone buys up the bag. Someone buys, someone sells their bag. That's how cryptocurrency work. Now, if you got into cryptocurrency at the lows, right? Right around, I would say June 2022. Man, it's crazy because we're in 2024, and I remember vividly June 2022, because this is around the time everything crashed, right? And again, we had another crash like around December, right? Going right before we went into January, and then we seen a huge AI run. But I remember that crash, right? And it was a lot of FUD around that crash. And there was a lot of people that was buying up the dips, right? Bitcoin went to 15K. And then we seen a year where Bitcoin went from 15K to the heights of 48K within a full year, right? A full calendar year. So you got to expect people to take profits. In fact, we took profits the peak of phase 2. Excuse me, the peak of phase 1. You got to understand that phase 2 is a little bit different, right? The crypto is coming back down. Everybody's trying to get to become part of these new narratives. Things changed. Phase 1, the narratives were different. Phase 2, the narratives are totally different, right? We got the emergence of the BRC ecosystem, right? Where everybody is flocking and wants to be part of the BRC ecosystem. In fact, we will be dropping a video talking about this important sector of the BRC20 ecosystem in the Patreon. So please, if you are interested into that and exclusive content, consider the Patreon. I think I got it actually pulled up. We're sold out on the with the rookie, and I believe we got a limited one spot remaining here on the GOAT, but the star is open, and I believe the we flip over here, the Hall of Fame is open, and then I will be lowering in the price here of the Degen Whale. It was limited available. We'll be lowering this to, for if you're into like very elite exclusive content like play-by-play what I'm doing, we'll be lowering this as well. So again, we'll be dropping a lot of exclusive content in the next few days as I'm making the transition here to full-time Web3. But again, we just want to focus on why cryptocurrency is dumping, right? We got a fear and greed index of 49, which in my opinion, we needed that. We needed that fear and greed index to come, because the more it creeps down into maybe fear, right, it will award us a lot of opportunities to refill our banks. I talked about this in a video I made for the private group a little earlier today, how it's important. If you don't believe into a project, this is the best time, and especially if you don't have any new money, right? Let's say you don't have any new money on the sidelines, and you're like, Millie, I'm seeing my portfolio decrease, and I got a lot of these cryptocurrencies, and frankly, some of them I don't really believe in. This is also an opportunity where you consolidate your portfolio into the projects that you have most conviction, kind of compounding that money into the projects that's the hottest, that has the hottest narratives, and that you believe and have the most conviction on. So there's two ways you can do this, right? You can consolidate your portfolio into the ones that you believe in the most, and sell off some of the non-believers, not necessarily into cash, but into the cryptocurrencies you have most conviction in. Again, I don't think that this dump will last long. And a lot of people are not paying attention to the fact that we are in altcoin season. Now, I haven't seen too many people actually pointing the fact out that for the last 90 days, right? Technically it's 90. So from the last 90 days, altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin, right? So technically we're in altcoin season. And normally when you see these meme coins go crazy, that's kind of like a sign that the top is near, right? We've seen meme coins go so crazy where it's hedge funds literally partnering with meme coins and helping them throughout the marketing. I don't want to say investing, it's more like a partnering, right? Where they're partnering with these meme coins and they're increasing the marketing, these meme coins from a marketing standpoint. But we're in altcoin season, right? So what better time to reload on your altcoins as we are in altcoin season than a major flash crash? On top of that, the Finder app has not yet updated since, I believe, November, but you can see there is a massive influx of new people coming into cryptocurrency. And again, we want to protect the new people on this channel. So again, if you're new, let me know in the chat, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur. But when you come over here in this community, we try to cater to new people, because I take that mindset that I've learned in business for the years, 10 years of business that I've, either owned my own business or been a part of a business, and it's always been new people are the lifeline of the business. So crypto will only go as far as new people, and the best way to protect new people is to help them have an understanding how to navigate across the cryptocurrency space. The most important thing right now is understanding that crypto goes up and crypto goes down. But in any asset class, there is massive manipulation. And right now, the news is that there's been manipulation, allegedly, from some of the centralized entities that have these Bitcoin ETFs. Now, apparently, Grayscale has been decreasing their Bitcoin. We talked about this yesterday. Grayscale has been decreasing their Bitcoin, but we're also seeing ETFs add to their Bitcoin. So it's a lot of trading going on here. I think that these market makers need to create a market, because at the end of the day, when you see Bitcoin already at 48K before the halving cycle, it's kind of unattractive to buyers. Buyers are like, this might be a top. I'm not going to. It's really, 50, 48K. That's kind of close to 69K. I know. It would take billions of dollars from 50K to 69K, but psychologically, those numbers are close. So the market makers need to open up opportunity by letting some more of this Bitcoin get into the market for new buyers to actually take an interest in. And again, it's it's PvP. So what Grayscale may sell off, BlackRock may buy. That's just how this stuff works. And according to a lot of websites, there's been whales actually dumping off BTC. So according to multiple websites, Bitcoin is currently undergoing a sell-off, marking the first time since December 2023 that the flagship cryptocurrency has dropped below the 40,000 support zone. This selling pressure aligns with a phase where Bitcoin whales are actively dumping a significant portion of their holdings. Bitcoin whales have unloaded nearly 70,000 BTC, almost 3 billion within the past 2 weeks. And in my opinion, this is just my opinion. My opinion is whales need to bring the price down. They need to bring the price down so they can get new buyers in. I see it all the time from meme coins, and I know this happens in Bitcoin. So in meme coins, and I'm just using meme coins as an example. In meme coins, you can have this massive pump. Let's say a meme coin pumps from a certain price to 1 million, right? And you'll have these whales and sellers bring the price down to a favorable price when it's a cryptocurrency that has demand. Now, Bitcoin has demand. And it's the same thing with meme coins. I've seen meme coins pump from 50K to 1 million and then go back down to 50K. And the same people that sold off at 1 million buy again at 50K, looking to reload and pretty much ride it back up because the demand is there. And I think that's what's happening in Bitcoin. This is a crash that's designed to create fear in the market to bring the price down lower, just so everybody else can kind of like get their bags up. And when Bitcoin crashes, unfortunately, Ethereum crashes, and then you see massive moves from ERC20 tokens and some of our favorite altcoins. But what this does is just create an opportunity. But I'm not here to lead people on to say the crash is almost done. I don't know when the crash will stop. And honestly, I don't think no one does. You can actually look at trend lines, you can look at this, you can look at that, but again, we don't know, right? So just keep that in mind. When you're DCAing, kind of like DCA and have a strategy behind your DCA in sectors. You see me make posts about buy zones because, hey, this is a buy zone. I know, hey, it could drop lower. So if I got $300, maybe I put $50 there. And if it drops lower, I put another $50 if I have high conviction on the project. So you want to DCA, but you want to be smart and responsible about your DCA. And so many people get that confused here about the ability to DCA. My question to you guys, again, appreciate everybody that's here on my journey. We're pumping up these lives every day, so I need you guys really to share this live and help us get out there and have more awareness, because the plan here for the channel and also the community is to be that hub, kind of like how Hotbit is that hub for partnerships and marketing for meme coins. We're working to transfer this channel into a hub where small cap meme coins that want exposure, that want awareness, the founders can come on the channel and deliver an interview in an AMA. So I am open. I'm opening the doors to any meme coin, small cap, low cap, utility tokens as well that want to have awareness of your project through an interview, showing transparency that you are a founder and owner that plans on being here for long term. So if you want to interview, DM me on Twitter, send me an email, whatever you got to do. Reach out to me if you have a project and we can set up something. No scams allowed, of course. This is specifically, so I will research your project first. But we want this community and this channel to be the hub before these altcoins blow up, to actually share your story and share what your project has to offer. So I'm putting that out there also. Also in the next, I say 24 to maybe 72 hours, we also will be opening up the fair launch again for Johnny 5. So I'm letting everybody know out the gate that the fair launch is going to happen. We'll be opening up the doors to that in the next 24 to 72 hours. So of course I will update the Patreon. I've already updated them to let them know. And this is a community driven project where the world, everybody can have a fair chance of being part of something early. We got real close to our soft cap last time, but I had lofty expectations. We are relaunching. I put too much into this project, so I'm not changing anything as far as the name, nothing like that. We're going to continue to roll out with the same narratives, and that's what we're rolling with because I am big on memes and I am big on AI and I'm big on gaming. So we're not changing anything. We're just going to relaunch, adjust the soft cap. I've made a few of changes, but not very, very minimum changes. So everything, for the most part, will be the same. But my question to you guys are, where do you think that we are at the Wall Street cheat sheet, right? Psychology of the market. I personally believe and agree with the Deacon here that we're in disbelief, right? No, actually, I don't believe we're in disbelief. I take that back. He says this is a suckers rally. Uh, um, disbelief. This rally will feel like yeah. So I agree. Yeah, I think we're in disbelief, right? Disbelief. So would be right here, and then we see the pair. Yeah. So I think we're in disbelief where a lot of people are starting to sell off because they think that this is a fake rally. I don't think that this is a fake rally. I think that this is a correction that was needed to create a more healthy market for the entire cryptocurrency space because we got a lot of stuff coming on. Coming up, we got new tech. We got new tech, right? Modular blockchains, um, parallel EVM blockchains. I don't even want to expose all the new things that we're talking about inside the private chats, but there's a lot of new utilities and there's a lot of new technology that's on the way. So the potential next 100x or 1000x may not even have dropped yet, and that's even including what we're working on. So I'm excited about this correction because it's going to give an opportunity for a lot of people that want to get into cryptocurrency to actually get into cryptocurrency at the prices that they want to actually get in from a favorable price. But guys, ladies and gents, where do you think that we are currently at in the psychological phase of the market? Do you agree that with me that we're in a disbelief? Maybe you think we're in hope and we're a little bit more closer to the bull run than many people believe. But regardless if we're in hope or disbelief, I don't think we're up here in euphoria and then hope not, right? It would be terrible if we're already up here and we already about to go back into the bear market. Oh shit, the bear market about to put hands on us, bro. I don't want no more hands from the bear market. They done beat me silly, and yeah, I'm like a battered dog or something with my tails under the head. I don't want to deal with that any longer. Hopefully, this is just a healthy correction and a start for the next leg up. But I'd love to know everybody's comments on the market cycle here. Moving on along, we talked about this earlier in the Patreon. How the altcoin market could be possibly be in a phase D here. Just a small correction. And a lot of people don't want to, pay attention to the fact that we do have a FOMC meeting here in the next 7 days. So this could also be what's causing a lot of sell-off as the market is starting to price in another Fed pause. So let's not ignore the macro environment. What you would want to see from the DXY is a rejection here at the middle, the point here of the Gaussian channel. So we want to get, and even if it creeps a little bit over the middle, and I'll zoom in for you guys here, we want this thing really to get rejected here at this trend line and put in a lower high. We need the DXY to break 99, in my opinion, for us to technically be in a full force bull run. So we need the DXY here to break 99. Anything under 99 is usually bullish for assets in total. I know the stock market has been, trending back up. And a lot of people feel like sellers of Bitcoin who are chasing the stock market prices, and when the stock market tops out, a lot of that money will roll back into Bitcoin. So just be prepared, and proper preparation prevents poor performance. We would love the DXY here to get rejected and continue a lower high into a lower low, which would further prove that we are in a bullish environment opposed to a bearish environment. But family, at the end of the day, we don't have a meeting in February. So as long as you can have resilience headed into, and closing out the January, we don't have a meeting in February. I think meme coins are going to go fucking legit. I mean, it's fucking crazy in February because they have strength. Right now, they're dumping, they're correcting. The smart people right now are loading up on meme coins that have strength. I think February is probably going to be an explosive month for a lot of the top meme coins. Not the ones that kind of like don't have the top ones with hype and demand. The ones that you see hotbit promoted. I was just kidding with you guys. But going into March, right, we could potentially have a Fed cut, which could create buying pressure or selling pressure depending on how you look at it. So we're not out the woods yet as far as the economy. It is kind of crazy that a lot of the Republicans are kind of like dropping out and they're jumping on Trump's team. It's getting spooky, man, because not to go off topic here, but it just blows my mind that this guy, all the things that he went through in 2023, nothing is stopping. Like, if and ignore who Trump is and ignore all that, right? When you put your mind to something and you truly believe in something, right? And that guy is a perfect example. When you look at his history, he lost everything, was able to get it back, right? All the FUD on his name, all the shots at his character, right? But he still has prevailed and seems like he's put in his position again to win the presidential campaign. So, in comparison to us as personal individuals, resilience, man, and belief, and in my opinion, the law of attraction can take you far. If you truly believe in something, eventually it's going to come into your universe and you're going to create it realistically. And I've utilized that mindset throughout life. It's called the law of attraction. Whatever you attract in your life, be it be positive or negative, will eventually be part of your life. So try to practice and, prepare yourself for positive mental thinking. And I think that you can, apply that even in the cryptocurrency market. And it'll help you sleep at night. But if you are in a whole bunch of fucking risky projects, then you gotta expect a little bit more downside and volatility, okay? If you're an altcoin gem hunter, if you're a small cap gem hunter, you will see more volatility than somebody that's holding blue chips. So that might be something that you want to think about. Maybe I'm not a person that can take a lot of volatility. Maybe I should just buy blue chips, and blue chips still move a little bit faster than the stock market. But if you're used to stocks, I would say buy blue chips because their swings are not as volatile as altcoin gems and even meme coins. So find out what type of crypto person you are. You know what I mean? Once you find yourself, then you can sleep at night and have a more confidence in your portfolio. Me, I am a degen. I am a person that's willing to take on risk to see a higher reward. But I had to find myself at first. You know what I mean? I had to find out my niche in crypto. And I think for anybody that's new, I would tell you guys to do that. Do your research. Find out if you are a person that can take on a lot of volatility, or if you're a person that just can't take it. It's emotionally stressful to you. And maybe you should just try to find things that have higher market caps and are less volatile. A little bit more similar to the stock market. What else do we have here before we get into some of the comments? We do got killer whales about to drop, so this is going to give a lot of exposure and a positive light to cryptocurrency. I would also pay attention to some of those projects that's on killer whales just to get prepared if something might jump up or pump. So keep that in mind there. We can take a look at the BTC charts here. BTC is dumping down on a weekly. Man, I'm happy it's happening fast though. Usually you don't see the stock RSI going for a reset at that type of speed on the weekly charts. And we talked about earlier that we could probably, for the next 42 days, trade sideways, right? 42 to 72 days, we could probably trade sideways. So this is the weekly chart. I want you guys to understand when the stock RSI resets on the weekly, it sometimes takes time, all right? So don't always think like, you know what I'm saying, it's going to be something that happens very, very quick. Actually, we can take a look here at the date range of the last time and how long it actually took us to reset. All right. Let's reset this. Reload. All right, what am I looking for? Let's go back up here. We could actually see last time was this. It took us about maybe 28 days, 30 days to get a full reset of the stock R. Yep. It took us 30 days to get a full reset of the stock RSI on the weekly time frame. So I know a lot of people like to buy off the stock RSI, but on the weekly, the time frame is totally different from the daily. So just because it comes down, it doesn't mean, family, it's going immediately back up. You can go back in history. Sometimes it goes back up a little bit quicker than other times. Sometimes it takes a while for the stock RSI to reset, and we could see some sideways action or pain. So I want you guys just to be prepared that we could drop down here, right? We could, we could come down here and kind of like hang out here for a while, right? Before we go back up. So many people don't understand how this works. They don't understand that stock RSI is lagging, and you got to give it some time to come back up on the weekly. A little bit different from short time frames, but on a weekly, just prepare yourself for a little bit more pain than usual if you are trading the stock RSI. So I want to make that clear that it doesn't just jump straight back up. And I believe we do have the others chart pulled up here, where the last time we stayed down here for about 42 days. This is also the weekly. So even with altcoins, you can kind of like start to prepare yourself that the next 30 to 60 days could be a little bit of sideways action, could be a little bit of pain, because we've seen such massive moves to the upside from a lot of altcoins, right? A lot of altcoins did 10x's, 20x's, 50x's, and even 100x's in the phase one. And there's been a lot of people that made buku lots of money in phase one through trading altcoins. So family, this seems to be a profit-taking stage for the masses, but also a stage where a lot of new people on the sidelines, or anybody on the sidelines, can have a fair chance to finally fill up their bags. That's all I got for you guys. Now I'll open up the chat and we'll talk to the chat and see what's going on, man. Appreciate the 64 people that's in here. Commercial break. And make sure that you like and subscribe. All right, let's get into some of these comments. All right, we're on the comments. RL Morris says, what's going on with Elon? Well, let's go see what's going on with Elon, right? Let's see what we have here. Elon. I think we talked about Elon on a few days ago. It is sitting under at a $80 million market cap. Very, 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 very close, in my opinion, to the yearly lows that we've seen in 2023 from Elon. So nothing to be too scared about, right? Elon probably will come back down here to the lows. I think most whales are, they kind of accepted the fact that Elon is coming back to its lows. The golden cross that we seen was Elon was poor as fuck, right? And it's only because of the Polynex hack. We've seen the most marketing that we've ever seen from Elon in the last 3 to 6 months. They are building. We don't know who the new team is behind it, but we know they are building. I would just be patient. But again, you have to do what you want to do. If you feel like, hey, I've been holding for 2 years, I cannot withstand this. And I can understand why people cannot withstand it any longer, because like I had a large position in Elon and I was able to make that position. I don't even want to tell you what I was able to do with that position once I, moved on. But then I, put it a small allocation, not much as I used to hold, but my conviction has changed for a lot of the older tokens. And that's only because I'm embedded in cryptocurrency full time. So I kind of can see where things are going based on narratives, based on being so close to what happens in crypto. And that's why you see me moving the way that I move. If I was just working and not paying attention to the portfolio and not tied into the news and really just holding on to cryptocurrencies because I generally believe in them, well, not even believe them, I bought these and I don't want to kind of like sell because it might go up, that's different. But the narratives change in crypto. And if you're not prepared for that, you know, you're being a little bit short-sighted in my opinion. All right, here. AOKG, I appreciate you. Don't fade the dip, right? I'll save it for tomorrow when I get paid. The GOAT, appreciate you. Yeah, he said save it. Save what to tomorrow? Appreciate you, man, Flex. Blessings, OG, 197. OG. If you scared, go to church, John 3:16. Blessing, Millies. Millie, there's manipulation in every facet, such as influencers manipulating the launch of Satoshi EVM. And maybe Ted Cash. Again, my opinion on Satoshi EVM is I'm looking at it from the growth of the Bitcoin sector and the technology that they're working to deliver. I never looked at it as influencers manipulating. Hey, if you can't get into IDO because you're in the States, then hey, it's not their fault that they're able to, where they live at, they can get into things early. You still have an opportunity to get in things early. I wasn't able to get into the IDO, but I was able to get into Satoshi VM around $3, and it went from $3 to $15. And based on what I put in, I'm happy with my gains. But when I started to do in-depth research on the technology that they're working on to deliver, I said, hey, the pumponomics is there, the utility is there, and the emergence of more developers coming over to the Bitcoin ecosystem is there. I want to hold this to peak bull run. I want to see where this project will be if Bitcoin hits 100K. So that's my thinking behind it, but everybody's thinking is different. Meme AI, ETH meme coin will do a Miro. Okay, I seen Meme AI. I use their little their little image generator where they generate memes for you. It's pretty nice. It's pretty neat. Keep the red coming. I'm not afraid. This is the year that we become financially fed, people. Don't let this opportunity go. Yes, do not let this opportunity go. BTC is still in an uptrend, manipulation or not. Thank you, OG. That's the only thing that I've been saying in retrospect. You just put it into one nice sentence. The trend is your friend until the end. Let's see what we have here. Are the devs at Elmo not giving you an opportunity for another AMA? Nah, I talk to Master Elmo all the time. He's just a busy guy. I'm not begging him for an AMA. If he wants to do an AMA, he's welcome to come on here. We actually talked about Meme Alliance. We had a nice, good conversation. Master Elmo's cool. We're cool. But these guys are busy, and I'm busy. You know what I mean? It's not like just because you don't see FOMOtion on my channel anymore that we're beefing and nothing. Nah, that's my guy. Like, whenever those guys are working there or willing to come on the channel, the door is open. Buddha Coin, Maker Lee, you know what I'm saying? Jesus Coin. These are people that I would never mind working with again. And Master Elmo is also somebody that I don't mind working with, and he can always come onto the channel and explain what's going on with the Elmo token. Anything even loosely connected to Bitcoin is going to be huge coming up to April. Projects like ML, Tectum, and Ordinals are going to send hard. I agree 100%, Harry Breaks, and that's why if you're part of the Patreon, you know the projects that we are looking at. You know that we are embedded in some of the best new BRC20 infrastructure plays, and you know that we have configured our portfolio to add a nice percentage of that narrative within our portfolio. Some of our top narratives have always been gaming, AI, layer 102s, meme coins, and of course RWAs. But we had to clear up a little bit of space, a little bit of liquidity for the BRC20 narrative. Now at first I was like, but I didn't want to invest into the tokens because I hate connecting my wallet to so many different sites. I'd rather, and then I gotta make a new wallet and send new money there. I'd rather just invest into infrastructure plays that are available on Uniswap that's still giving me massive exposure to the ecosystem, and that's what we're doing. Find yourself in blue chips. No, by ORBT. It's strong and very early. Okay, I have to check that one. What is ORBT? Let's see. Let's see what it is. ORBT. ORBT. 1 month. Okay. $1 million market cap. 138,000 Liquidity here. Liquidity locked for the next 5 months. So you got 5 months to make it happen, right? Since has dumped since inception. Looks like it's ready to put in a reversal. 10 million max supply. 10 million. Is this the max supply? And it's only a okay. Now you've caught my attention. Whoever just dropped this project, salute to you. We'll have to do more research on it. Okay, we want to make sure it's not a scam, of course. It's kind of odd, right, that it's 10 million in max supply. Is the max supply? Okay, 12 million max supply. Not bad. 10 cent. Sometimes you guys be coming with some neat projects. I don't know what this is yet. Only one holder, 1,000 holders. I got to do more research on this one. I'll do more research off stream. Boost your trading experience with our unique AI Chrome extension, empowering trade smarter. Chrome extension. So I definitely would have to do research on it to make sure it's something safe and to use, because anything a Chrome extension means you're going to be connecting your wallet, right? And you want to make sure you're connecting your wallet to something that's safe and not a wallet drainer, as I've been going throughout this space as now being a developer, right, and understanding how wallet drainers work and being a person of character. I had to realize this, and salute to the community that's rocking with me. Again, we will be opening the doors to the fair launch in the next 24 to 72 hours. Letting everybody know now. I didn't do that the first time. I wanted to grow. We're not doing that. We are launching this project. Because I'm excited, and I want to bring back high character founders and developers to the cryptocurrency space. But as I'm learning and as a developer, right, there's a lot of things going on with like backdoors on coding, wallet drain. So projects like this, I gotta make sure that it's safe, even for myself and also the community. But it looks good, right? This actually looks pretty good. I would have to do more research on the. I guess we could check out the website. We'll check out the website together. See what they got going on. Salute to you, man. If this checks out, I mean, see right there, connect wallet. See, that's what I was talking about right there, right? We want to make sure that's safe. Orbit uniquely combines AI prowess and a convenient Chrome extension, redefining the cryptocurrency trading experience with innovation. Are they working to be like MetaMask? Utilizing advanced algorithm provides in-depth insights by identifying complex chart patterns in here. I like it. Buy on Radium AI. So do they have a Solana? So do they also have like a Solana? Welcome to Orbit. I would have to use the beta, right? Try Orbit AI. They're on Radium, so I mean, are they also on Solana? Store white paper. Anything on the team on the white paper? All right, here we go. This is what I was looking for. A confluence of vision and expertise. Core team. Not much about the team. So the team is not doxed, apparently. It's not a doxed team. So that's another reason that I would have to do more research, because we're connecting our wallets. You know, team is not doxed. So everything looks good. I would just have to do a little bit more extensive research. I love the pumponomics and the potential here with this project. I will not cap to you, right? Anything that's under 20 cent, max of 12 million tokens. I just think that not enough of the whales got a whiff of this yet, because if they do, and then maybe the tax, but no, I'm not against tax, right? Contract is renounced, so that's also good. They do got sales and buy tax, which is not bad. So that's the thing. Oh yeah. Johnny 5 update. So on the contract, I removed the buy and sell tax. We'll create our own marketing wallet, because I got to thinking about centralized exchange listings, and they're going to want you to exclude them from the tax anyway. So There will be no buy and sell tax with Johnny Five. We actually reconstructed the contract so that it doesn't have buy and sell tax. But we'll create a marketing wallet that way, and a centralized exchange wallet. That way, we'll be able to get partnerships like Hotbit and enlist it on these exchanges. So we'll just personally do it because that's all the tax was doing. It was allowing it to automatically go to the marketing wallet. But then I thought about all the stuff we would have to do to the contract when it's time to get listed for centralized exchanges, because we plan on being here for the long term. That's why we locked the liquidity for 1,400 days. So there will be no buy and sell tax. That was the only update we made. No buy and sell tax. We'll personally manage our own marketing wallets, and in hopes to get listed on centralized exchanges, and also partnerships with different partnerships. And again, the dream partnership, because I was doing some paperwork yesterday, but the dream partnership would be something like PAL AI and Hotbit hedge fund. So we want to make sure that we are prepared for that. Telegram here going crazy. Orbit looks nice, man. I don't got nothing bad to say about Orbit. I have nothing bad to say about it. All right. Let's see what we have here. I like Orbit. It looks nice. Find yourself in. Okay, have a blessed day, peeps. It's Netflix time with popcorn and catfit. Cafe, don't doubt y'all's vibes, and yes, let fix. Is that the new Netflix? I just had to skip and add on live stream. Is that normal? Yeah, I put in, well, if you see this little button here, this is the commercial. This is how, we do have to monetize our live streams because I am full-time Web3. So when I hit that, it creates a commercial. MMA remove tax. I've bought some now. See, and that's what I'm saying. Like, when you remove the tax, right, it really changes the outlook for many people. Now, I'm not against tax. I want to get that straight. Like, I have the same stance on tax, but just for what we're working to accomplish, we decided to move on without tax. But we'll still have a AOKG says, I don't mind the tax because it'll help Johnny Five until it's ready to be listed on exchanges. Yeah, we'll see what we're doing is we'll just have a marketing wallet, because the thing about the tax is we want to make sure that we have a successful launch. And if I got to exclude Pink Sale and exclude all these I don't want to go through that. It's a lot from a developer standpoint. So at that point, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We just know that we're doing something special, and it's going to be community driven. We need a crypto that has a max sell limit of 1 million a week, so these billionaires can keep buying OTC and dumping on retail. Interesting. Crockcat looking like a reversal. Yeah, we made a grand off Crockcat first day that it was released. I haven't got back in Crockcat since. I do have my eye on a certain Solana meme coin that I've been literally bagging up every time this cryptocurrency hits 50K market, 58,000 market cap. I bag up. I have high conviction on this Solana meme coin, and yeah, I'm not getting the live notice. I don't know why YouTube does that. Maybe they don't want, have an AMA with the Telos team. We've already tried to get that worked out. I've reached out personally to a few people on the AMA team. I've reached out. I didn't reach out personally to John, but I did comment on one of John's posts like, "Hey, AMA me. We ready to interview you, John." But again, we're not here to pressure anybody. When the time comes, it will come. And I've got nothing but support from the Telos team. In fact, I'm a Telos junkie, right? I'm really, really bullish on Telos. It's the project that's my biggest chain outside of Satoshi VM. And the only reason Satoshi VM was able to catch Telos is because the insane movement that it had from when I first got in. But outside of that, this was my top chain that I'm personally invested in. So, very, 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 very bullish on Telos. I've submitted I've submitted for a Telos for the partnership program, grant program. We want to also have everything already built, so when Telos, if they do reach back out, they can see, oh, these guys already have a project. The only thing that I will need help from with Telos is being able to launch a smart contract with Telos project. So an example would be, this is the kind of like where we see Johnny Five going, right? In full transparency, I am also invested into Inu here. So it's went down a little bit, but I reloaded my bag yesterday. But very, very simple. Right here is example our our vision, right? We want to be able to have contracts here on multiple chains. So we'll start off with Binance, but the goal, the next contract we want to kind of like check off the list would be Telos. So if I can have everything already prepared, launched, and the community project growing, well then if we was to get some type of partnership or grant with Telos, it would just be the developers helping us create a contract here on Telos so we can also have Johnny 5 on Telos. Because again, that would be a dream come true with me, for me, and for a lot of people, for the community, man, because we want to be able to launch on, in my opinion, one of the best up and coming chains. So checklist to BNB, and then next stop is Telos, and then maybe we do something like crypto.com, because I know a lot of people in my community and that's part of the states, they use and utilize crypto.com. So the dream three contracts out the door for us would be BNB, Telos, and crypto.com, and of course Solana, which I know I can knock out the Solana contract with ease. Only thing that the hard part is once we launch would be matching up the liquidity so that the price is the same on each chain. And that's pretty much the hardest part when you launch on multiple chains, is just making sure that liquidity is correct so that the initial starting price is correct for each chain and everything lines up. Because I know you guys have seen cryptocurrencies where you're like, wow, why is the price for the ETH chain different from the price for the Binance chain? We want to make sure everything is smooth, lined up correctly, and done in an efficient manner. I don't want, okay, Croc Cat, yes, 5% tax liquidity, 5% tax to developer. That's too much tax. We not gonna do that, AOKG, man. We're more pro community. And to be honest, guys, I'm pro community. So many people send me messages like, Millie, we just want to be part of something early, and I'm tired of seeing these cryptocurrencies up 12, 13,000%, and it's like when I get in, they dump off. So this is the opportunity for you to be a part of something early. I didn't do this the first time around, which we would have hit the soft cap if I did. If I just would have came on my live stream and said, hey, fair launch, everybody go look at it, it would have hit the soft cap. We came extremely close. So I know I lowered it to, it's going to be either 10 or 15, but we're going to hit that, right? And we're probably going to exceed that. But now I'm telling you guys that. And I feel like what's going to be the difference about this launch compared to so many other launches out there, is I think that when we launch, more people are going to hold. So the misconception of a launch, right, a pink sale fair launch, is that the original holders dump off the cryptocurrency. That's not what happens. What happens is when you create a fair launch on Pink Sale, you have to give them like 3 to 5% of the tokens. When you launch and the price shoots up because people are excited about the launch, everybody starts buying. Usually Pink Sale dumps their tokens because they want to make their profits. So when Pink Sale dumps their tokens, normally that's where you see the dump at. But what we are going to do to kind of like mitigate that dump from Pink Sale is we're going to initiate a buyback. So once Pink Sale dumps those tokens off, we will initiate a buyback to consolidate the price for the people that plan on holding for a long time. I got all of this shit figured out, bruh. I got all of this shit figured out. Like, you really, really messing with a person with high character and high integrity. I have no intentions of none of that extra bullshit that y'all see in cryptocurrency for some of these motherfuckers. That's why I'm like, fuck it, I'll put myself on Front Street. We plan on initiating a buyback when Pink Sale dumps off their tokens to kind of like hedge against that volatility. Check out Tweety. Maybe the next troll. We have 900 holders now, and we have 1,000 holders. Tweety, we'll check that out, guys. I have no problem with doing that. Orbit Pro, I'm putting that on the watch list, right? I think that it has some potential here. I got to do more research. Tweety, I'm thinking you're talking about this one, or is it something on Solana? Okay, BNB. Tweety, this is not the right one. What is the right one? Y'all let me know what the right one is. I don't want to give anybody hope if it's the wrong project. Maybe it's this one. I don't know how did I tap on the BNB one? That was weird. Okay. Oh, it's growing fast, right? You said 1,000 holders. Now it's at 1.1. Wow. This thing was dormant for a while. It's seen a golden cross. Wow. What a golden cross here. Guys. Oh my God. The golden cross on this was amazing. Look at this. This is why people are raving about the potential golden cross on the weekly for Bitcoin. We had a golden cross here, and this thing shot up, bro. Shot up, shot up, shot up. I wonder what was the market cap before it had the golden cross. What the heck? What is this? How long is the liquidity lock? $1.6 million market cap. Wasn't expecting this, but it is sending, man, up 200% on the day and moving fast too. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, man. Salute to you guys and salute to the people that was holding this for a long time, man. Like, wow, right? I mean, sheesh. This thing just woke up. This thing just woke up, right? Yeah, it just woke up out of nowhere. What's going on with y'all? Did we get some type of updates? Tweety, ETH, and BNB. Okay, so it is on ETH and BNB. Tweety to the moon. The most beautiful meme coin is ready to fly over existing meme coins. Insane golden cross here from Tweety, man. Salute to you guys, man. Salute to the Tweety community. Love to see it. Also Smiley and Troll got listed on CMC the same day, but different times, and both exploded in January. 33x and 49x, which is insane. Oh, inspirational shorts. Look like you got a nice good eye for meme coins. Okay, yes, we checked the ETH one. So yeah, I'm redoing it. I'm redoing it. It'll be up in the next 24 to 48, 72 hours. 72 hours working on a few things. How much can we buy to hold 1% of? Well, only 2% of the initial tokens will be available of the. So we started off with 10 billion supply, but then I thought about it like, I want to make it have a little bit better pumponomics. So now it's just 1 billion supply. So it can see even more potential. So we'll update that on the website from 10 billion to 1 billion supply. We're only making initially, what's that? I think like 2%. No, not 2%. Like maybe 1.7%. We only are making 1.7% initially available for the pink sale, right? So we want to make it like 1777777. Yeah, we'll have that available. Yeah, I'm redoing it. Dolan Duck on Soul doing the dance right now. Dolan Duck, let's check it out. Who's calling me? Miles. Oh, Dolan. Dolan Duck on Soul. Yeah, so we want BNB, Telos, Crypto.com, and a contract on Sol. Guys, I'm excited. I'm excited because I'm telling you guys right now, if you want to get into something early and rock with a based ass motherfucker like me, let's fucking go, bro. Let's go. Sol token, man, this thing up 12,000%. It's the normal start a cryptocurrency on Sol with 10 Sol and watch it grow up 12,000%. Will it top out at $100,000? I don't know. Maybe this is the top. It's these serial devs, man, dropping these fucking Sol tokens, man. If you don't know what you're doing or you don't know how to get into these, just be careful. Just be fucking careful, man. These are serial devs. I already know how this shit goes, so I would be careful. I would be careful. Still early, it could pump to 1 million. It might have a little bit of juice, but just be careful. Love to see the success that those guys are having, though. Again, we don't know if some of these are scams, guys, so please be careful. But could you check out Perion? Haven't seen many looking into it and think it could be huge. Um, Perion. All right, we'll check it out. Oh, Elmo finally fell under a 1 million. This thing been holding $1 million market cap like a champ. I got to give it to him. They finally fell under $1 million 1 million market cap with some insane tokenomics. They make it pop back, right? Perion. Is this what we're looking at? Perion. What is the name of the project, right? Perion. So like somebody give me something. Give me something. Are you talking about this one here? Perion credits. It's a lot of them. Are you talking about perk? Popping perks? Yeah, I see you. Inspirational shorts. I don't know if you are like a dude. I like to always salute the females, but I see you got a female picture, and sometimes it be dudes. So I don't really know. Coin Poppy says, "Yeah, super risky." Yeah, yes. I appreciate your honesty, good brother. Also, you know, the Twitter didn't post anything on X until I guess they noticed the value in market cap. Yeah, man. They seemed like they was dormanted for a while, and then they just popped up out of nowhere. What up, my boy? Have you seen Solana, baby? I don't think I ever seen that one. We'll come back to Perion. Just let me know which one it is. We'll come back to it. Solana Group is coming to the chat. Salute to y'all. Man, I wanna build something nice on Solana. Baby Solana. Is this the one? Is it Baby Solana? Is it back alive? If it's Baby Solana is up 6% on the day. Where can I buy your meme token, Millie? It will be in fair launch in the next 24 to 72 hours. I will update the community. I will the Patreon. If you're in the Patreon, you already know you will get the update. And then we'll update the community through a live stream. So, all right, Key. I just want to make sure, man. Before I be like, oh, we got some ladies in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Here you perk. Okay, perk. We'll check it out. Perk. Pop it in perk, baby, perks. Perk. $6 million market cap, 1,000 holders. Fast track listens here on Coin and Coin Market Cap. Not the best circulating supply, but we can work around that. 0.9 initially pooled, so a lot of tokens available outside of the initial liquidity. Want to watch that. Zero tax zero. All right. Golden Cross on the 3-day. Sheesh, ain't seen that in a while. Golden Cross on the 3-day dumped off. What these guys do? Accelerating the shift to web. Oh, this is a gaming token? All right. This is a gaming token? What do they do? Discovering the value of intersection of gaming and Web3. What do they actually do? What do these guys do? Let's see. What do they do? Stake perk. Alright. Perion builds next generation gaming applications powered by blockchain. Get rewarded to play trailer. Oh, it seems like they do something very, very similar to what do you meme token? Looks like they invest into up and coming gaming projects. Very interesting. Perk is the token of the Perk ecosystem. How Perk gives you access to the best of Web3 gaming, utility token within all Perion products. And that's another thing, family. Even though you can't get into the IDOs, like follow projects like this, man. Follow projects like Perk. Like what's another one? It's at the tip of my tongue. Goddamn. Cetify, Poker Starter, and we got a few launch pads that I'm not gonna talk about that I'm also following. But follow these launch pads, man, because even if you can't get into IDO early, you can wait for the initial dump of these projects after they do their thing from the IDO. And even in the States, you can still get in these projects early. You just need to know when they are launching. And what better to follow these launches by keeping your eyes connected to these launch pads, especially the real good launch pads. They'll give you an idea of how big the project could be, how massive. Then you'll start to see people talking about the IDOs like we see from Satoshi VM. Just keep your ear to the streets from some of these launchpad tokens, and you'll have an idea on some of the best gaming tokens that could be on the way. In fact, I need to do a video on some gaming tokens. I haven't done a video on that, and we'll probably do a video where we're doing some edits and stuff like that. Make it look all cool. Like, I got nothing but time now, full-time Web3. So again, if you want to get your project featured, you know, and yeah, that's another thing. Like, what we can do with Johnny Five, man, is as a community, we can create some type of, and I guess I'll have to create like some type of voting system, because maybe we can also help meme coins get exposure and awareness through utilizing partnerships, right? Partnerships with these different meme coins and AI coins. Man, I got a lot in my head I'm trying to get out. Please bear with me. I'm always thinking, guys. Ping Pong. It will be fair launched on Pink Sale very soon. Very freaking soon here. All right. Jumped into Perk because I couldn't get into Gunzilla. Exactly. Now, it looks like it's similar to Gunzilla. Very good. Very good comparison. And start looking more into it. It's going to be massive. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do more research on this. What's the market cap? Only 6 million, right? Circulating supply, 99 million. See, that's why the project we talked about before, Perk, it literally has 10 million. What is that? What was the name of that project? Whatever it was. So this is an example, right? We know something like Orbit, right, with 10 million max tokens sitting at 11 cent. Gotta be a fucking steal here. I mean, I don't know. This gotta be a steal, because when you just compare the tokenomics, this thing already sitting at, Perk is already sitting at 40 cents, and it got 10 times the supply, right? It has 100 million max supply, right? And it's at 47 cent, 48 cent. And now we got like a project with 10 times less supply at 11 cent. That Orbit token might be a fucking moonshot, y'all. It just might be a moonshot. I don't know. It might be a moonshot. Good calls here, y'all. Good calls. Salute to y'all today. Y'all coming with some alpha today. Always love to check the tokens that y'all got. Vulture Peak has launched slot of good stuff. Vulture Peak. I'll have to check that one out. Also check out Sponge V1, V2. I'll pass with Sponge. Like, I made some crazy gains off the first Sponge, and then took profits, and then that thing went to the depths of hell. I'll never buy the Sponge token again. Like, it's just a cash grab. Like, I put $40 into V1 of Sponge, and it went to something stupid, right? And it did like a 500, like almost a 500, like it did some crazy X's on $40. I just put $40 into Sponge, and I ain't even gonna tell you what I turned about $40 in. Sponge went crazy in the meme coin hype right around like February, March. Like, Sponge did some stupid X's, and then it crashed all the way fucking down. I'll never get into Sponge ever again. The Sandman's back. I'm fading into Deep Call Adelaide. It was in the bear market. Yeah, it went crazy in the bear market. That's what I'm telling you, bro. Like, I made crazy gains off the first Sponge, but I ain't buying V2. I'm gonna be honest with you. I ain't buying V2. I ain't rocking with them. Millie, your thoughts on Paid and Ian Bellein's launchpad? Wait, Token Metrics has a launchpad? What's the name of the launchpad for? That's my guy. We would love to partner with Token Metrics, man. That's another dream partnership. It's crazy because on one of the questions that Telos asked me, they were like, one of the questions that Telos asked me, they was like, what do you think is the number one competitor to the project that you're growing? And I said Token Metrics. Really. So yeah, I wouldn't mind like doing like partnering with Token Metrics at all. We talked about Sailor last stream. We talked about that last stream. We talked about Sailor last stream. Is that the name of it? Okay, that was Ted Cash who said that. Eggplant Inu in the house. What's the word? Eggplant. Appreciate you, good brother. I love that you guys always come to the stream and raid the stream, man. Tell your Telegram to come raid the stream. Salute to Salamo. Salute to Salamo. God damn. Hey, yo, KG, can you spell it right? Oh, eggplant. Okay, eggplant. They're here. How y'all chart looking, man? In this bear market. How is the eggplant chart looking? Are y'all holding up, man? Is it ugly out here? You know I'm gonna say if it's ugly, it's ugly now. Eggplant, reach out, man. We need to talk, bro. Are y'all listed on AVAX? Y'all listed on AVAX? All right, yeah, we need to chop it up, bro. Y'all listed on AVAX, right? Eggplant Inu 19 23 days ago, 23 days ago. I think it's this one, right? 232 holders, $83,000 market cap. Okay, look like y'all going through a little bit of pain here, man. A little bit of pain, right? A little bit of pain, but bouncing off the moving average here is a nice sign. Still early, right? 232 holders. You know, I don't know what you guys got working on there, but tap in with me, man, because I would love to do some things with AVAX. And hey, man, if you want to let me know like the ins and outs of, you know, launching on something like AVAX, man, tap in with me, good brother. I love that you guys launched on AVAX, though. I'd like to see meme coins launch on other chains outside of the normal chains that we see. You know, I wish you guys well. Always showing love to the chat. Hopefully you guys are, you know, here for the long term and, you know, not just some fly by the night type of project. But, you know, I support communities that support me, so salute to you guys. Salute to you guys. All right, enough airtime for Eggplant Inu. Pump the 300. What up, man? Let's go, Eggplant Inu. Eggplant Inu facing on AVAX with the red market and a little down up. Yes, AVAX. Okay, just make sure I was pointing out the right one. Let's reach out. AVAX moving about to be huge. I agree. Raja, AVAX, bro, we reached 300. Okay. Y'all was at 350. I see y'all, man. Y'all had a nice little pullback. I only trust Solana and ETH blockchain. I don't know about AVAX. That's hard for you to believe, inspirational shorts, because Solana has their meme coins have an issue. They have an issue with platforms creating malicious codes in the meme coins, where it's not even like the developers rugging you, it's the platforms that these guys are utilizing to create these SLP tokens that have malicious codes and backdoors in them. So you got to be very, very, very safe on Solana. Very safe on Solana. BRC20. Ooh, Johnny 5 would love to be on the BRC20 ecosystem. 100% reach out to you, bro. Let's grow together. The fam loves your channel, Millie. Appreciate you, A-Plaque. In fact, you guys can go follow me on Twitter here. That would be the most efficient way to kind of like reach out to me. Yeah, follow me, tag me, let me know what y'all X is, y'all X account is. Crypto Millie at Soap Guys TV. That's me, guys. And follow me. Yes. Appreciate everybody. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Yes, man. When we go, man, we're gonna go when we start the door-to-door videos again. Once Johnny 5 is up, we're gonna be doing some lit stuff. I'm gonna try to do some things that we've never seen in the space before. That's my goal. Eggplant Inu turning up in the chat, right? You're right, but it's easy to see what a scam is on Solana. I mean, I guess I'll give you that. If it was that easy, a lot of people wouldn't be getting rugged. But hey, if you know what to look for, yes. I'm sending the army over to follow you on YouTube and X. Thanks, fam. No problem, good brother. Wish you guys well and nothing but success. Salute to the Jesus Coin community. Salute to the Buddha Coin community. All those guys always showing love. And hey, Eggplant Inu, like I said earlier in the stream, this channel is the crypto hub for AMAs and interviews. So if you have a meme coin, right, and you want to get awareness, and you want to come and you want to talk about your meme coin, what you guys working on, why we should follow your meme coin, why you plan on being the best meme coin on AVAX, come on the channel, docs, do an interview, man. It's gonna, it requires the docs, but do an interview, because those type of interviews is how you show the community that you're here to stay for long term. So the floor is open for any meme coins that want to come do an interview. Of course, you see the interviews, you got to dox yourself, but hey, it's worth the exposure if you really, really plan on being here for a long term. Yes, AOKG. Sorry for putting you to sleep, my brother. It's a boring day in crypto. Let me show you the crypto charts. It's a boring day in crypto, man. You want me to talk about pain? We can talk about pain. But yeah, I know you drive trucks, man. So please get you some rest. You need to have rest when you're out there on that road, good brother. Crux of crypto. What's the word, man? I don't know why that name seems familiar. Sorry, I stepped away from live. Yes, is that one of for baby Solana? Also, have you heard of Sensei Inu? Nah, y'all are always coming with something new. Eggplant Inu might skyrocket depending on the tokenomics. Interesting, AOKG. What do you think about Ahmed? All right, so I got to catch up with some of the ones before I get into that inspirational. Multi Shadow X. Yes, that is the one for baby Solana. Okay, let's go to baby Solana. Baby Solana. Okay, out for 1 month, $79,000 market cap, 21,000 in liquidity, 5,000 volume kind of low, but them guys are working on something. We do have a bear cross here on the 2 hours, so could be a little bit more pain on the way. Bullish divergence in the MACD, price going down. MACD was going up on the 2 hour. Let's go to the daily. We might have a little bit more information on the daily. Y'all guys been around long enough to have some information on the daily, man. Only 30 days, so got to use the 12 hour. Yeah, 12 hour. Okay. MACD bearish. Stock RSI bearish. Who knows, man? This thing could. All right, so this thing could trade, man. Trade around here, and then shoot up. It just depends on the time scale of the first leg of the W. Some people would call Adam and Eve, right? Adam and Eve pattern. We can go to the date range and see how long it went sideways for about 15 days. So if we use that same math here on the next leg, let's go for 15 days. Depending on the market, maybe it completes the double bottom, or sets itself up for a cup and handle, would be nice. I don't know how long it's going to trade sideways, but you can see it clearly creating a floor here. We'd love to see more momentum in the MACD. Project is still new to do any real TNA on. I'm pretty sure if I did a local Fibonacci on the 12 hours, probably in bear territory. Not much volume, as you can see here, 5,000 in volume. So volume is very, very low. We need to see some volume. 201 for a project that has a total supply of 69 million is bullish as fuck. Bullish pumponomics, right? Pool was 13%, so nice, good percentage of liquidity for people to trade. And yeah, we'll just have to see if this thing has the lasting power, right? It is a SOL token, so be careful. But again, right now it's in the pits. It's in the pits. We're building over at Piper Academy and networking with quality content creators. Oh, that's you, Crux. What up? I knew how the name sounded familiar. I'm like, what is this, Crux? Yeah, you sent me a message, man. I seen the message. I just went full-time Web3 Crux. So what I'm doing is I'm really just building, my floor, my platform. You know what I mean? And yeah, I'm open to do interviews. I'll have to look at the calendar that you sent me and set up something. It probably wouldn't be this week, because this week is more like I got a project that I'm working on, and maybe once we get the project actually launched, I don't know how long I want to actually make the sale. I can come on their show and we can do something, man. Would love to be a part of you guys' show. Always respect other content creators, and I appreciate the grind, right? And I appreciate the grind. So yeah, we're gonna come. We're gonna be on the show. We're gonna be on the show. We are going to be on the show, Crux of Crypto. Yeah, y'all go follow Crux of Crypto and their YouTube channel, Piper Academy. I think they just interviewed one of my guys in the space, my fellow crypto gem hunter, Crypto Archie. And yeah, guys, yeah, I love working with other fellow content creators because I appreciate the grind. And the fact that you guys reached out to me, it means the most, and I really appreciate that. So once we tie up everything with Johnny 5, yeah, we will start doing interviews, and you're gonna see Millie going on a press run, right? No, it's not you. I know. I've been up all night, family driving, chat. Nah, you've been up playing the games. You know, my Discord tells me if you're up playing a video game, and you and my guy Telos, my Telos guy, y'all are always playing the damn video game. Every time I go into Discord, it shows me what video game you guys are playing. Amps, let's go eggplant Enu community in this joint. Y'all show some love to the eggplant Enu community. For sure, don't rush it. Here to support you and your endeavors. Salute. Appreciate that, Crypto Crux. Now, I don't want you to think that I was like ignoring you guys or, putting you guys off or anything like that. This is actually my first full week of full-time Web3, so we got a lot of stuff we want to accomplish to get the channel together and the envision that I wanted to go on top of a project that we're building out for the community. And you just give this chance for the community to get into something early. Everybody wants to be part of the next Shiba Inu, part of this, part of this, part of that. Well, guys, you finally have a project where you can be in first before any of the whales, any of the other people get in solely. So if you're part of the community, this is an opportunity for you. If you found my channel, you found Crypto Millie, now you like, damn, I finally got an opportunity to get into something in day one, and this is what we're doing over here. Salute to Crux of Crypto and the Piper Academy and what those guys are working on over there. How long have we been going? Alrighty. Salute to Crux of Crypto. Anything else, family, before I get up out of here? We've been going for an hour. It is a beautiful red day, sea of red day in crypto. Don't want to hold you guys too long. Just wanted to let you guys know that the Fear launch will be relaunched, and this time we will be hitting that soft cap. We will be hitting that soft cap. But I cannot do this without you guys. Of course, Johnny 5 is not a project based on any type of financial gain or intrinsic value. Solely a community token looking to spread out the word and awareness of Web3 by delivering Web3 tools to ease the adoption for any newbie that comes into cryptocurrency. So even though we have a secret utility that we have rolling out, we want to pride this upon being a community-driven token. And if you're part of my Discord, y'all know I pride on decentralization. Go join the free Discord. AOKG, if you're still here, please drop the link. Join the free Discord, because that's pretty much how the project is. It's going to be community ran, man. I'm in the Discord. I see everything, but I let everybody do their thing, right? And it's going to be the same thing about with the project, right? Community driven. I'm gonna let the project do its thing. Launch the project. I'm stepping the fucking away, and I'm letting the project do its thing. You feel me? And I'm going in the back cave, and I'm building. What we need to be built for this thing to have longevity. So once it launches community driven, I'm stepping away and I'm going to the lab like Batman in the Batcave, and we'll be building from there on. So salute to everybody that joined the chat today. I wish you guys a wonderful Tuesday. Tuesday is double up day. You guys continue to go out there, keep your head up, stay positive vibes, and most importantly, for the mental health in cryptocurrency, get away from the charts. If you gotta do your DCAs, but just step away from the charts. Go outside, touch some grass, get some good sunlight and some good vitamin C. Vitamin C is good for you, man. Go get you some good vitamin D and some good vitamin C. Get them vitamins from the sun. And appreciate everybody. Reach out to me, and you guys